got the BERIGHT wooden baby walker activity cube for toddlers, 6-in-1 developmental Montessori learning education. First birthday gift for your child. Very nice and sturdy. It's the back of it. Well, the front of it. Side of it. Here's the back. Here are the brakes. Easy to assemble, easy to put together. Very good for your child's first toy. Nice wooden, nice sized pieces that won't hurt your child. Very safe. This is the top. Everything fits right inside. Here's the instructions on how to. You get the xylophone stick to play the xylophone. And these developmental fitting pieces go right in there. They're color coded for your child to learn quick and easy. Thank you.